see so many of you here today and would like to welcome you to the 2012 conference. Once again, this promises to be the best SAP-focused event in the UK and Ireland, with more delegates, exhibitors and sessions.
What we're going to be talking about today is really the art of the possible. What can we do with SAP? What's the reality of this? And how can we take this further? And really looking at not just the traditional technology view of the world, but more and more how that business technology is transforming our business models and what our customers expect from us in terms of the outcomes that they hope to achieve.
First time we've been here, done any type of exhibiting. There's some entertaining little things going on to try and attract people in, but once they understand what we do, it's been very, very positive.
It's a great chance to kind of represent the stuff we've been doing and building and get it out there to the community.
And there's nothing like coming face to face with people. You think you can do it over the web, you think you can do it on the phone, but actually when you're here, it's the classics of water cooler conversation. When you just bump into someone getting coffee, so I haven't seen you for a while, and you get talking, then you wouldn't have had that conversation, but good things come out of it.
I came last year and it was a really good couple of days, so just wanted to come back, see some of the same faces again as well.
It's really interesting. I've been to a couple of seminars and been loads of things I can take away and hopefully put to good use.
It's good for us to be one step ahead and to know what solutions are out there, so we can at least go and do some research in that area and also have some idea of maybe what the rough costs are or the rough effort in getting some of those ideas implemented.
I've enjoyed both the social aspect of just meeting people like yourself, and moreover, what's important for me is to get to meet the customer, and I think there's no point in us doing anything unless we can get our customers' feedback on what we do for them.
There are some innovations within SAP to take a look at. There are also a lot of things that are changing very rapidly. And as you think about this, the business models that are emerging, the business models your company ends up doing is going to change. You may be in the design, build, operate, manage, transfer business all at once and not realize that. And that's happening right now. And you're going to see this in the next 5 to 10 years. And the question is, how will you react?
We're going to hear from 4 companies today, each of whom are going to demonstrate something interesting, hopefully a transformational innovation.
We don't need superheroes on this one. This is about knowledge networking and technology.
I've shown you now is that with SAP's visualization technology, you don't have to just look at plain screens and look at manuals. We have the software now to move you to the next level and be one of the most innovative companies out there.
If only I have that application about 6 months ago when my husband decided to do a hole underneath the staircase and heated the central heating pipe and flooded all my house, that would have been really good application. We would have said, idiot, not dead.
The winning team is SAP.
It's been a good eye-opener. I've been enjoying the insights around the big data space and how that's taking off. Quite enjoyed Gemma's performance. She's a very good singer and she's got a great rustic voice.
I think the interpretive dance, which is really, really exciting, and it's something that you wouldn't expect, but yeah, it was really good.
The great thing about this show is you can come along, work with each other, and hopefully go back to your own organisation, work out the best solutions for you.
us a chance to network with some of our peers and get to know how they use the system as well, and get some ideas for the future and how we can actually be a bit more efficient in the way we process our work as well.
Normally members of my team and other departments within the County Council send representatives, but it's my first time and I can see why they all rave about it when they get back. It's been really, really valuable, taking away some real good nuggets of information.
The user group is a really good opportunity for like-minded individuals to get together, to learn about the current developments in the industry, to bounce ideas off each other, to foster best practice, and to move the testing functions of each of the adopters forward.
Think of me as the kind of reduced Shakespeare company for the world of business education. You know, we're going to give you speedy, fast 80 minutes of my highly editorialised, distilled take on some of the things that you would definitely take away if you did an MBA course. The only real way you can do a summary of a summary is with a poem. If all of this you duly follow, if you've resolve that doesn't bend, you'll be ready for tomorrow, and which is more, you'll be an MBA, my friend. Thank you for your 80 minutes, everyone. Thank you very much.
In the business of technology, you have to think about what are you missing.
Internet is a massive computer network, the one that's becoming really big now.
We are entering a changing world.
And that dreaded bug didn't bite.
I think there's a revolution coming on the application side.
A really big premium on moving quickly.
Today, Apple is going to reinvent the phone.
We're very excited about tablet computers, definitely including the iPad, because they have great web browsers.
I'm a Mac.
And I'm a PC.